Hello students, welcome to our English class. Today I am going to teach you a new chapter, unit number 2, Rikki Tikki and Nag. Okay, so all of you have to watch this video carefully. It will be easy to understand everyone. Okay, listen carefully all of you. First of all, let us see the information about the writer, author who has written the story. We should know who has written this story. The writer name is Rudyard Kipling. He is the author. Okay. Let us see the information about the writer who is Rudyard Kipling. He was born 1865 and he was died 1935. He was an English poet, novelist and short story writer. Means he was an English poet. He write many poems in English as well as he has written novels, play, drama and short stories. So he was famous for the English poet, novelist as well as short story. He was born in India and his stories for children reflect his love for Indian culture. He was born in India. He has written many stories for the children. He wanted to show the Indian culture through his stories. Okay, he is the best known for his work, The Jungle Book. Best known means he was famous for his work. The Jungle Book. Jungle Book, it is the collection of stories where included many stories and he was famous for the book. What is meant by Jungle Book? Jungle Book, it is a collection of stories by the English author Rudyard Kipling. Means Jungle Book, it is a collection of stories who has written by Rudyard Kipling. Most of the characters are animals such as Sher Khan the tiger and Baloo the bear. Though a principal character is the boy or man cub named Mowgli. It means the main character is here Mowgli. He is the boy or man cub who is playing a role in this Jungle Book, who raised in the jungle by wolves. Means he had grown up along with the wolves. The stories are set in a forest in India. Let us move. Before start the story, I would like to give the information about the character of the story. The characters are here. First, Teddy. Second character is Teddy's parents. Now look at the second picture. You are given the all animals. These are also characters of the story. They are playing vital role. Okay. First of all, see Chuchundra, a muskrat. Chuchundra, it's a name of a rat. Muskrat. Okay. Next, Nag. He is a cobra. It is a cobra. Third, Rikki Tikki Tavi. It is a mongoose. Next, Nagina. It is also cobra, means Nag's wife. Look at the last picture. It is a bird. It's a trailer bird. Its name Drazy. Okay. All the characters we have known very well. So keep it in your mind, everyone, the characters of animals as well as the people. Okay. Now let us move toward the story. The story name is Rikki Tikki and Nag. Now all of you understood the story name, who is Rikki Tikki and Nag. Okay. Rikki Tikki Tavi is a short story in the Jungle Book written by Rudyard Kipling. Rikki Tikki Tavi, this story has written by Rudyard Kipling. Its story has taken from the Jungle Book. And who has written this story? The story has written by Rudyard Kipling. Rikki Tikki Tavi was a baby mongoose who was washed away in a flood. Rikki Tikki Tavi, it is a mongoose. It's a baby mongoose who was washed away in a flood. Wash away means flowed. It was carried in the flood. Carried, okay. He was taken in by Teddy and his parents. Taken in, it's a phrase. It means to allow an animal or a person to live in one's home, to live in someone's home. So, Teddy and his parents allow the mongoose to live with them, to live with their home. A British family residing in India. It means the British family, Teddy and his parents, they were permanently settled in India. He owed to save his foster family from dangerous that snakes like Kret, Nagina and Nag pose. He owed, it means he promised himself to save the foster family. Foster means those have look after me, those have take care of me from the dangerous snakes like Kret, Nagina and Nag. Okay, so he promised himself and decided that I will look after these families, I will take care of this Teddy's family from this Nag and Nagina. Okay, now let us read the lesson. This is the lesson. We have to find out what happens to Rikki Tikki in this final battle against the mighty Nag. Here battle means war or fight between Rikki Tikki and mighty Nag. Then what happened finally? We have to find out from this story. Okay, let us start the story. Rikki Tikki went off for his nightly walk round the house, and in the dark he ran into Chuchundra, the muskrat, creeping round by the wall. Rikki Tikki went off his nightly walk. Rikki Tikki, he went off means he leave, he depart for walking during the night. In the night he saw a muskrat. Muskrat, it is a long rat-like animal with thick brown fur. Muskrat, it is like a rat animal, but it has a long brown fur. Its name is Chuchundra. So Rikki Tikki saw the muskrat Chuchundra. It was also creeping round by the wall. It was moving around the wall. Chuchundra is a broken-hearted little beast, and Chuchundra, this muskrat, it is a broken-hearted. Broken-hearted means he was sad. It is a small animal. Beast means animal. Then Chuchundra, it is a small animal. He whimpers and chips all nights, trying to make up his mind to run into the middle of the room, but he never gets there. He whimpers. Whimpers means here make small sound of pain and fear. He was paining. He was getting tired, and so he was feared. He whimpers and paining and make a different sound like birds during the night. He was trying to make up his mind. Make up means he prepared his mind to run into the middle room. He wanted to go into the middle room, but he could not go there. He never gets there. Don't kill me, said Chuchundra, almost weeping. Weeping means crying. Rikki Tikki, don't kill me. And Chuchundra had seen to the Rikki Tikki and he said, Rikki Tikki, please don't kill me. And he was crying. Chuchundra was crying. Do you think a snake killer kills muskrat? Said Rikki Tikki scornfully. Scornfully means lack of respect. Without respect, he said to the muskrat, are you thinking? Can a snake killer kill muskrat? Can a mongoose kill the muskrat? A mongoose kills only a snake, not muskrat. Okay? A snake killer means here. Snake killer who is here? Here it is a mongoose. Okay? Then Rikki Tikki said to the muskrat, Don't you know? Can a mongoose kill the muskrat? Don't you know? Chuchundra. Then Chuchundra said very gravely, what he said? Those who kill snakes get killed by snakes, said Chuchundra, more sorrowful than ever. He never speak very gravely, sadly to the Rikki Tikki. What he said? He said, who kill snakes? They also killed by the snakes. Means who kills snake means here a mongoose can kill the snakes, and those are killing the snakes, they also killed by the, means mongoose can be killed by the snakes. Okay, means mongoose also get killed by the snakes. Okay, and how can I be sure that Nag won't mistake me for you some dark night? Here Chuchundra asked question, Rikki Tikki, how can I be sure that, how can I sure Nag won't mistake? Won't means here Nag will not mistake, means Nag will kill me. Instead of you, he will kill me because of this dark night. There is not the least danger, said Rikki Tikki. Nag is in the garden and I know you don't go there. Rikki Tikki said to the Chuchundra, this is the muskrat, your home, it is safe for you. Means it is less danger place to you. So you should have to stay in your place, stay in your home, because Nag is in the garden. So please don't go there. He is requesting to the muskrat. He is requesting to Chuchundra. I mustn't tell you anything. Can't you hear, Rikki Tikki? Here Chuchundra said to Rikki Tikki, I mustn't tell you anything means I never talk to you. I never tell you anything. Can't you hear, Rikki Tikki? And he once again said, Rikki Tikki, can you hear? Can you hear the sound? Rikki Tikki listened. The house was very still, but he thought he could just catch the faintest scratch in the world, a noise as faint as that of wasps walking on a window pane, of the dry scratch of a snake's scales on brickwork. Rikki Tikki listened the sound carefully. The sound had come from the house, and the house was very still. Still means quiet, calm. But he thought he could just catch the faintest scratch in the world. And he thought, what he thought? He can able to listen the softest sound. Faintest means soft sound. He can able to hear or listen the softest sound. A noise as faint as that of a wasp walking on a window pane. Means he is going to tell the here wasp, it is an insect. It is one type of insect. He is able to hear the insect sound. It is a noise. It's make noise, scratching sound when he was walking on the window pane. He is able to hear the wasps walking sound on a window pane, of the dry scratch of a snake's scales on brickwork, and he is able to listen the sound of snake scales on brickwork. It means Rikki Tikki can able to listen the softest sound like the scratches of wasps, as well as he can able to listen the scratch of snake scales. Here scales means snakes have scales on their body, so he can able to hear the scratch sound of snake scales. Next, that is Nag or Nagina, he said to himself, and he understood whose sound it was. It was the sound of Nag or Nagina, and he is crawling into the bathroom slice, and he was moving. He was creeping into the bathroom sluice. Sluice means here it is a channel for surplus water to drain out. Means it is a drainage pipe. He stole off to Teddy's bathroom, but there was nothing there, and then to Teddy's mother's bathroom. He means here he stole off to Teddy's bathroom means he is here Rikki Tikki. He went to Teddy's bathroom, but there was nothing there. Means nobody was there. And then to Teddy's mother's bathroom. Then he went to Teddy's mother's bathroom, where he heard Nag and Nagina whispering together outside in the moonlight. Then he heard Nag and Nagina both are whispering. Whispering means here speak in low voice. Both are discussing, both are making a plan to kill someone in the moonlight. When the house is empty of people, said Nagina to her husband, he will have to go away, and then the garden will be ours again. And Nagina was talking to her husband. She said, when the house is empty of people, when this palace, this bungalow will be empty of the people, he will have to go away. He means here Rikki Tikki. Rikki Tikki have to go away from this garden, because if the people will not be here, Rikki Tikki also went away. It means the garden will be ours again. Go in quietly and remember to first bite the big man who killed Crate. Nagina said to her husband, Nag, you should go quietly and remember you have to bite. You have to bite first the big man, means Teddy's father. You have to kill the Teddy's father who killed Crate. Means Teddy's father has killed the Crate. Crate, it is Nag's and Nagina's young one, and he has killed the Crate. So both are planning to kill the big man, Teddy's father. When you are done, come out and tell me, and we will hunt for Rikki Tikki together. When you are done, when you kill the Teddy's father, come out and tell me. You can come and tell me, and we will both hunt for Rikki Tikki together. We will hunt Rikki Tikki. But are you sure that there is anything to be gained by killing the people? Asked Nag. Nag asked to her wife Nagina, but are you sure? If we kill the people, did we get anything? Did we gain anything by killing the people? He asked his wife. Everything. When there were no people in the bungalow, did we have any mungus in the garden? Nagina said to her husband, to Nag, we will get everything. Yes, if you kill the people, we will get everything. Definitely, the garden will be ours. If the people will not there in the bungalow, the garden will be ours. No any mungus will be in the garden. So long as the bungalow is empty. So our bungalow will be empty. The bungalow will be long time it will be empty. We are king and queen of the garden, and remember that as soon as our eggs in the melon bed hatch, as they may, tomorrow our children will need room and quiet. Nagina said to her husband, we will be the king and queen of this garden. Remember, you have to keep in your mind, keep one thing in your mind. As soon as we have to give the place to hatch our eggs, we have to find a safe place to hatch the eggs. Nagina said, our children will need room and quiet. Means our children will need quiet and safe room for them. So you have to do it. You will get everything by killing the people. Okay. We will meet soon in the next video. Till up to bye everyone.